What is up, family? It's your man Bigg Vic. We are back in here with another video, and today what I want to do is show you guys what my channel at about 13,400-ish subscribers earns and what I've earned over the past couple of months, and we'll take a look at the lifetime, what I've earned on YouTube. A lot of my results are kind of like sporadic because in the beginning I was kind of off and on YouTube. I wasn't as consistent. I dropped videos, but I had to, kind of learn how to shake and move on YouTube, what type of content gets views, things of that nature. So there's a lot of different factors that play a part into how YouTubers make money, the type of content, what type of genres that you may be in, and some genres pay a little more than others. So a lot of these factors play a part in music and what type of videos you drop. So let's go over to my computer, look into my analytics, and see what Bigg Vic TV is earning. Let's go.
It's Bigg Vic TV. Yo, I'm back to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world. So we're in the back office in my analytics, and we're gonna see exactly what Bigg Vic TV generated the past couple of months. If you look here, we're in the revenue. Right now it's currently saying my playback based CPM. This is per 1,000 views, what I earned for September. Actually, what they did was my September and October income was combined. So my check actually included September and October. I guess it kind of ran over into October because I did a lot more than I normally would do. So it kind of ran over the threshold. Of course, once you make $100, they'll cut a check. Mine is direct deposit. So as you can see here, my average was between $6 and $5 per 1,000 views, and that check was roughly about 300 and some odd dollars here. And once again, this is only estimates, so I think my total was $330 something for September and October. And as you can see, November I had a big spike. Not in November, but in September I had a big spike, because what I did was I believe I dropped the Reason videos, the Reason 11 videos, kind of like you see my final thoughts. As you can see, those were my top earning videos. Reason 11 rack plugin. So it's like so many statistics here that will show you exactly what type of content is working on your channel, what type of content may not be working as well. But me, I like to mix it up with a variety because I do understand analytics and I see what works and kind of what isn't working. Even though you guys may ask for certain types of videos and I drop those videos, those may not be as popular, but because I love what I do, I still drop the videos. So all the time is not about, for me, it's not always about making a lot of money per video. As you can see, I don't have like 1,000 ads scrolling through my videos when you watch them. So I usually have one at the beginning, one at the end. I'm testing out some new ad features just to see if I can just mix it up a little bit, just to see what works for my channel and my audience. So if I go into the lifetime, I want to show you guys something. Now with my channel, because it's music based, some gear, I don't always do a whole bunch of gear, but those tech channels usually pay more per 1,000 views. Some beauty channels do. So you'll see a lot of female channels that don't have as many subscribers, but they get a lot of views. It's not always based on the amount of subscribers you have. So if you get a lot of views and your channel is monetized and you have a smaller subscriber base and you're dropping videos that are getting views in the 300,000s, the 100,000s, 60,000s, and that's consistent, your revenue is going to be way higher even with the smaller subscriber base. So it's not always about the subscribers. I try to get people to understand that are starting YouTube channels. It's not always about the subscribers. Once your channel is monetized, then you can start creating the content that people, want to see, and how long they stay on your video. So it's a lot of factors that play into how they base the amount of money that they pay you for, ads. Luckily for me, YouTube is not the only way that I generate income, through my channel. Of course, I have products that I sell. I also, I got an entire video production company, photography, videography company that pays way more than my YouTube channel pays me, but I still dedicate time to creating content for my channel for you guys, because I know I'm helping a lot of people. So at the end of the day, I do understand that if you help enough people get what they want, you will get what you want. So that's my spin on that. So let me show you guys something. So for over the lifetime of my videos or my channel, you see I started in 2006. We're in 2019, and only my channel has generated about $3,500 in the lifetime of my channel. But check this out. But that's only based on 647,000 monetized views. You get what I'm saying? So you can't really go by how long I've been on YouTube. It's how long my channel was monetized and how many of my videos were monetized on YouTube. Because when I first started, my channel wasn't monetized. So it took a while before I was able to become a YouTube partner and monetize my channel, which played a huge factor in why my channel hasn't made as much money as a lot of newer YouTubers that are out there and with way less subscribers and have been on YouTube way shorter than I have. And it was all, mostly learning what was working, what type of videos get views. A lot of review videos, depending on what type of review video it is, gets views and they earn money. I think like one of my biggest months was when I reviewed the hoverboards, and I did 2 of those videos, and those videos did quite well, almost 100,000 views on those videos. So again, it just depends on the type of videos that you release, and that's kind of based on how much you'll earn on your YouTube channel. So, this is all transparency. I have nothing to hide on YouTube. I think it will make people appreciate the type of work that you put into your YouTube channel, even though you're probably not making a killing with your ads that are on YouTube, or with your channel. But a lot of people are learning from me, and I love it. If you can see here, I did the Swagway video hoverboard. Back then, that video earned me, I think, $130 that month. And these are pretty much my most popular these are my top earning videos. Let's click on that. I just love the analytics in here because it always shows you what was working for your channel and what earned you the most money on your channel. I think it will pop up sooner or later. Let's see. Okay. So this propeller head kind of rant video did well for me, so it all depends. And I drop a lot of content, a lot of content on my channel, but it helps people. So the money is not the big factor for me. I'm just excited that you guys are subscribing to the channel. Also, my content on my channel has been viewed, an estimate almost 2 million views of my total channel. So only 600,000 of those views were monetized. So I can only imagine if I was monetized with 2 million views, I would have made much more. I would have earned much more money on my channel. So, and another way that you can kind of estimate how much people are earning on YouTube is if you pull up their total amount of views. Let's go here for a second. Let's go to analytics, total views. Let's do lifetime. And just an estimate, if you do lifetime views, okay, let's go to revenue. My estimated, you can kind of look at the total I've earned. Let's just estimate 3,480 divided by the amount of playback views I had. Let's put 647. Of course, we know it's 647,000. So on average, my channel has earned roughly about $5 and some change, $5.37 on average over the lifetime of my videos per 1,000 views. So that's kind of like a real way that you can find out roughly about how much you've earned, which is not super low, but it's not super high either, you know. But when I go back and I look at, let's say, my last 28 days, you know, my playback base CPM is about $12.22, which is not super bad, you know. So if I had way more views, that would really be cranking for me, you know. So my thing is just to keep consistently putting out content, putting out more content, putting out content that I know you guys want to watch, and that, you know, other people want to watch, that's interesting. That's what's going to get you the views on YouTube. If you have an engaged audience, you know, that's what gets you the money on YouTube. I hope this video kind of opened up some of you guys' eyes that are creating channels, some of you guys that are putting content up on YouTube, just to give you an idea of how the money is generated on YouTube just in AdSense. So we're not even talking about sponsorships, any other things you might run on your channel, any other income sources that you can. There's so many different income sources that you can create on your YouTube channel outside of your monetized views. So I mean, and I've seen channels that are earning a lot more money outside of their views. Some channels that are not even monetized yet that are earning income, you know, through their viewership and the type of content that they put out there. So hope this opened up some of you guys' eyes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, y'all know what to do. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Always hustle, never stop growing. It's your man Bigg Vic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.